Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. By the title of this video, you can see that we just bought a new car and I cannot wait to show you guys. This is like a dream. It's unbelievable and we are so excited, and we're gonna reveal it to you in just a few minutes. But it is Saturday, it's beautiful weather, it just got delivered. That's right, they deliver this car to you. Unbelievable, like the service that they provide. So you can see it's gorgeous out, and we are by the pool, we're barbecuing, and then this car just shows up like nobody's business. So without further ado, it is time to show you this car. It's gorgeous, guys. You are gonna lose your SHIT. You ready, babe? Are you ready? Are you ready to show them this car? Oh my god! Oh my god! All right, you ready? Close your eyes. Are your eyes closed? Okay. Looking like a hot mess because I was napping, but as you see, it's ready, and we're bringing Carson out because we're going to show him for the first time his brand new McLaren.
That's your car.
Is that your car?
That's to open it. That's mine. Yeah, look at how the door. You open the door from the inside right here, and then...
Wow.
Go in it.
Get in.
Go in. You have to.
Do you love it?
Put your key in.
You have to put your key.
You have to book them up.
You put your seatbelt first. Wait, put your seatbelt.
Here, put your arms up. Yeah, you have to push
Yeah,
it.
you put it in there.
And then you push it hard. Push it. And turn it.
And turn it. A little bit. Look, I'll show you. Yeah. You hear the car?
Wow. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to push it.
Do you know how to drive?
You have to push this right here. But yeah, put your foot right there.
And you have to turn with this. And you press the gas.
Put your foot right there.
Slow.
Put it right there. Put your hands right here.
Drive it easy.
Push it down right here.
No,
Push.
push.
You gotta push that. Push the pedal. Push the pedal down.
Push.
Push it with your foot.
Like that. Yeah, push it. Push it down.
Okay, okay.
But you have to hold the steering wheel.
Hold that. And push. Yeah, I'm thinking.
You got it.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of Carson getting his first car. I can't wait to see when he turns 18 and gets his first real car, how he's going to react, because he absolutely adores cars. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please down below hit the red subscribe button and join our family. Give this video a thumbs up, and we will, as always, see you guys on our next video. Bye.